this is Susanna. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how you can take a design, split it into different parts, delete the parts that you do not want, and save the part of the design that you wish to use for your project. Let me show you how. For this example, I'm going to use this Christmas design. What I would really want to keep from this design is just a Holy Family. So I want to delete all the letters, the cross, the stars, daisies, which I do not find fitting for Christmas, even the Christmas flower, all of it. So we can do it this way. You select your design, right-click on a mouse and go down to Split and Separate by Colors. You can separate by items, but for this example, we're going to separate by colors. And right now I'm going to highlight all the parts that I would like to delete. I'm going to left click on my mouse and hold Control button. This will allow me to select multiple parts, make it more efficient. So let's say I selected few, right click on a mouse, hit delete, and we already got rid of quite a few. Let's continue. Hold Control button, left click on your mouse. The blue colors seem to be part of the Holy Family, so I'm going to go on the bottom. That's the All Night, parts of the daisies, white, green letters. Right click on a mouse, delete, and here we have it. This is all I would like to keep. I'm going to highlight the entire part and join. This will not work with every embroidery design. It depends on a digitizer. But for the designs that you are able to split into smaller parts and delete some parts, this gives you an option to do different projects in different sizes. Thank you for watching.